Did the Nigerian army arrest General the Yahoo because of all the atrocities when on they commit, or because he not start to dey call names? Do you understand? Because as short as this video carry a lot of weight. Carry a lot of weight. This guy, they allege, say go get meeting with the present governor of Imo State, Hope Odidika Uzodinma.
Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 18th of September 2025, we're still bringing this news to you because it is still going on. It is still being rumored that Gentle the Yahoo has been buyed. It is no longer that he is captured by the Musa boys, but this time around, the news flying again is that Gentle the Yahoo has been buyed. And not only him, and Makeup as well. They say that Makeup is also among the boys of Gentle the Yahoo that was captured and buyed.
Akụkọ na-erute anyị ntị na-akọwa na ọwụhụkwa sọ Gentle the Yahoo banyere na trap ndị amị. Makeup nke na-ekwukarị consensus people of Biafra sokwa na ndị banyekwara na trap a n'ọnya ndị amị. Ụmụ boys ya ndị ahụ na-anọ n'ime ọhịa eme vidio, ọtụtụ n'ime ha nọkwa n'ezigbo ọsọ, ma ndị si ụmụnze wa ụnyaahụ, mana aka na-achụkwa ha, ana-ama m na a ga-enwudesicha ha.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button.
Alright, so I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the news, say they don't arrest this guy, General the Yahoo, but there's a problem. And the problem lies in this video.
And if Hope Uzodinma is denying that he did not have any meeting with Gentle and with my master and not the rest of the commanders, if Hope Uzodinma swell over this, Hope Uzodinma must die. And I am standing, making the world and our people to understand the kind of evil man that Hope Uzodinma is. Standing firmly and standing gidigam, telling our people this. If Hope Uzodinma did not have meeting with me and my master, with other commanders, let I know be.
Now, after watching this video, my question is this. Did the Nigerian army arrest General the Yahoo because of all the atrocities when on they commit, or because he not start to dey call names? Do you understand? Because as short as this video carry a lot of weight. Carry a lot of weight. This guy, they allege, say go get meeting with the present governor of Imo State, Hope Odidika Uzodinma. Do you understand? And he even went further to say Hope Uzodinma should come out and swear. Now, I'm curious.
Guys, like we said, this is still rumors until when we get the video or the full details. If not, for now, still believe it as a rumor. But the one big video here, or what is trending currently again, is VDM. VDM is speaking on behalf of Gentle the Yahoo. VDM is asking, why are they so quick in arresting Gentle the Yahoo? Is it because Gentle the Yahoo has started naming his sponsors? Gentle the Yahoo has started naming people that are destroying Imo State, the bad politicians that are using insecurity to make money in Imo State. Because Gentle the Yahoo has started to expose them, that is why they rushed to buy or to capture Gentle the Yahoo and his boys. This is from VDM. But one funny thing here is that Ikenga Uruago is now calling VDM to stop siding Gentle the Yahoo, because in VDM's video, VDM asked a question that he believes that some politicians or some people are sponsoring Gentle the Yahoo, and that is why Gentle the Yahoo was able to acquire all those sophisticated weapons, all those bigger weapons that he is using. And a very dark man asked a question in his video: who are the sponsors of Gentle the Yahoo to get all those weapons? And the Ikenga Uruago used that as an opportunity so that he can trend as well.
Okay, very dark black man. My name is Ikenga, and I want to talk about this gentle the Yahoo and use this opportunity to answer few important questions you ask on your video I watched this afternoon. You ask number one, whether the alleged meeting with the governor of Imo State is true or not. And number two, you ask those who are sponsoring Gentle the Yahoo and his gang. And number three, you also ask where they are getting their sophisticated weapon. And number four, you ask the reason Gentle was arrested. Now, let me start from number four. Number four, the reason Gentle was fired. Gentle was not arrested. Gentle was fired. The reason Gentle was fired is because of his involvement in terrorism. Not only terrorism, car hijacking, and some other despicable things these Gentle you are looking at have committed in Imo State. So, Gentle was not fired because of the names of those he mentioned. Gentle was fired because of his involvement in terrorism. Number two, you ask whether the alleged meeting with the governor is true or not. Let me tell you this. I believe at some point, Gentle and co started complaining of a whole lot of things, how they have been ignored, how they have been abandoned, how their place is underdeveloped. So the governor have to send somebody to go and listen to their complaints. And by the end of the day, what Gentle did is to gather his boys. They went to governor's place, burned his house, destroyed his phantom lodge, and also stole, there's a gold, I think, at the gate of governor's house, and some other valuable items they stole from the governor's house. And number three, you ask those who are sponsoring these people. Now, very dark man, I'm going to mention their names, and if you need more evidence, please don't hesitate to contact me. There's a woman called Ngozi Arabuese. She lives in the United States of America. And there's a man called Ogen Kerry. And another guy by name Raphael Chiamaka Jerry. And another one they called Sonny Akalawo. Also, these are the main sponsors. There's a whole lot of them. Azoka Chasimwankwo, Professor Joy Urobi, and the rest of them. So if you need their pictures, if you need evidence against them, if you need whatever you need against these people, just contact me. I will provide all. Now, you also ask where they are getting these sophisticated people. You know, if you listen to these people, if they talk, you will think, oh, maybe some politician is the one giving them this gun. The answer is no. I managed to sneak somebody into their secret meeting, and the person recorded all their conversation and gave to me, and I want you to listen to the conversation.
All right. All everybody. Go ahead. Yeah. Connection. The person will phone and get message to phone. My man put in media. Is one of Nazaria. Babara come Zaria. Go keep Amore Zaria. The boyfriend ammunition Zaria cover from Boko Haram. Okay. Speaking with the man said, don't have supply repair Niger Delta last time. And then you provide it.
Can you hear that? That's Igbo language there. So this person, one of their government, was explaining to their leader, Simon Ekpa, that they have gotten the connection. And this was the beginning of this insecurity you are looking at. So the guy was explaining to Simon Ekpa that they have gotten the person who used to supply people weapon in Niger Delta. And this person do supply the used Boko Haram weapon. So that's how they get their sophisticated weapon from Ambazonia and from that side of north. They used Boko Haram weapon. Don't ask where do they get their money, because Ngozi Arabuese, El Genkere, and the rest of them are there to raise fund. So what they do is this: they will come online, raise fund, and they fund The amount of money they are making online is huge. They will raise millions of dollars and then change this money, send it to Nigeria, and from Nigeria they will now pay the person who will go and carry this sophisticated weapon from the north side. Some of them will go to Amazonia side to bring the weapon through Calabar to Imo State. And when these weapons get to Imo State, then the people who are on ground will dispatch it camp by camp. That's how they get their sophisticated weapon. Now, let me beg you, please and please, very dark man, if you love Eastern people, help us to use your platform to beg our governors to get all the sponsors of this insecurity living in diaspora arrested. Because once you arrest these people, this insecurity will stop. Go online, you will see many of them raising funds, and they are not even hiding their face. They don't hide their identity. They will let you know that their men on ground need money. And who are these men on ground they are talking about? Gento the Yahoo, Ochiaga, B44, Owam, and Jamaica, and the rest of them. So if they raise funds, they will send to them, and they will use this fund to possess weapons and ammunition to destroy Igbo land. So this is what we have been passing through for almost 4 years now. So my brother, if you love us, please help us to use your platform to talk to our governors, to go after these sponsors. Some of them are in US, some of them in Germany and other countries. Get them arrested. You will see this insecurity in Southeast will stop.
Answered VDM, calling names of Ngozi Arabeze, Ogenkene, and the rest of them that they are the ones sponsoring Gento the Yahoo, that it is not Hope Uzodinma. Remember, Ikenga Uruago is looking for a political appointment. Now he is also siding the government of Imo State. Guys, seeing this video will still tell you what is happening, irrespective of all the rumors that they have buy or captured Gento the Yahoo and then Jamaica. The Musa guys are still destroying people's property in Imo State. They are still destroying ancestral homes of people in Imo State. The question is why? Why destroying those buildings?
$2 million. Provisions on the shop are $2 million. Let us she destroy all the shop. You need to know. How Bukron they can have a Bukro? Left fridge. I may be everything. Bukron they can have a Bukro. See you. And I will shop on mother. What she was set back. In the maybe she on Nigeria government. In the zoo, and I zoo. Government in the believe. Irania can she go another shop? It's quite let be to the mother. In a way, you can't rock, ladies beating. I'm with you, Elana. Elana, this house now, Ebony Lana and Oku. Elana, how to touch. Shop on go by how I got to Ryoko. And I may be training Lana here. How am I going to maybe everything on my shop? Can not kind of Lenka. This shop in Alanya. How may be training on my shop? They destroy a lot of things there. Left. You know where? Yeah, shop on mother. Yeah, I was waiting mother for many years. Your mother tried to be there. How Bukoro everything on him at this shop. In the army in the Nigeria and the Tiger Base in the Nigeria. Yeah, we have on Southeast. You know, and a cocoa Southeast, the channel way Grego. Let her in the shame maybe she in Igbo. Properties in Igbo, let us maybe share. Give Ghana, learn at this compound. And I got this compound now. Like you want to destroy many things at this compound. Yeah? Here, Ulo mother. Here, Ulo mother. ụlọ na enwedị anybody were suspect bi n'ụlọ a. Ọ just ụlọ ọbụla ha garuru na ya ha bụ agadi ha destroy a lot of things. Lee anya enwere otu ha si mebicha legodo anya legodo ụlọ mmadụ lee ụlọ mmadụ. Ndị Awụsa ndị Fulani a na-ada anọtala ụlọ n'obodo ha hụ ụlọ mmadụ rụrụ ọ na-ewute ha hụ ụlọ ndị Igbo ha na-ewute ha then ndị Igbo ndị ụmụnne ya join n'ọha a na-destroy properties a na-destroy properties. Ị na-ele anyị ga-ahụ ihe ndị ha mebishiri here. Lee ihe ndị ha mebishiri lee ya ihe ahụ ụlọ mmadụ dị ihe a lee otu esi destroy ya pụọ there. Lee ya ihe ụlọ mmadụ dị ihe otu esi destroy ya property mmadụ ihe wee lizu nke na-akị na-ahụ ihe otu esi enweghị ụlọ ọkụ ụlọ ere enwere otu esi enweghị bidu n'ọkụ destroy ya ụlọ ere ihe inside room mmadụ dị ihe ọwụ ndị zoo ndị amị ndị terrorist amị anyị nwere na Nigeria ọwụ ha nwanụga ihe Nigeria terrorist amị lee ihe Nigeria terrorist amị imere na-ele anya anyị na-ahụ Windows ị na-ahụ ya Nigeria terrorist army ihe ha rụrụ here Nigeria terrorist army lee ha a na-ekwu about terrorism lee ya ọ ihe ha mega n'ala Igbo na ha bịa n'ụlọ ndị mmadụ a na-edestroy properties n'ala Igbo. Ngwa na-ele anya ebe a na-ele anya lee ihe m chọrọ igosi gị lee ihe ọcha bidin lee bidin ha mejiri ọkụ lee bidin ha mejiri ọkụ otu ha si destroy your properties. Lee ihe ha mere here otu ha si destroy a lot of properties. Lee ndị a na-ekwu ihe a na-ahụ innocent people nọrọ onwe ha otu si destroy your properties ha na-ahụ ya. Lee ihe ha mere here.
Eze, one of the Eze in Aku community, also said that or alleged that it is Gento the Yahoo that is destroying their home. I don't know why they are so bent in giving Gento the Yahoo a bad name. Everyone is now coming out to tag Gento the Yahoo, the bad one. Well, with time we'll be able to figure out all these things, and we'll be here to tell Biafrans the one that it is and the one that it is not. Yes, sir.
Yesterday, ka Apple phone me in order. Yesterday was Sunday. One of our neighbor. Naram the phone. Maybe I do the charam. Can me pay the phone. Now many things. Karacha, my good friend, Honorable somebody Obu, Ngozi Obu, Honorable Ngozi Obu, ebe a na-atọmeti ya by ndị mamarụ. So ka m jụwaziri ese ala akụzi dati na ọ bụ mụta Gento onye kidnapụrụ Ngozi Obu. Mmajụ ebe o mere gịnị? Ngozi Obu is my friend. Ngozi Obu amụrụ somebody na-achọ okwu. Ka reason a ga-eji were kidnapụọ ya. So anyway, si na Ifeanyi emewere ihe wụ arụ kacha arụ, which ndị be anyị wụ ndị akụ ka Ifeanyi chụpụchara n'obodo nke anyị. Ifeanyi chụpụrụ m by kidnapping me with his boys. Ifeanyi egburu ha Paul Ogbu. After egbuchara Paul Ogbu, ha bịa buru m. Ọ gwa mara Chineke ka m ji si n'aka ha were pụta. About 3-4 years ago, ka m hapụrụ akụ. A kpọtara m ọsọ na Abuja ebe a. Ama how many months even up till now nka na-agacha ma check up la ihe ụmụntakịrị mere mụnwa agbara ụlọ m ọkụ agbara moto m ọkụ and Ifeanyi onweghị onye akụ Ifeanyi metere the number of people Ifeanyi gbugorola ewu ndị akụ ka the number of ndị ebe ọzọ o gbugorola.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Chicks TV, for we remain the best. Do your best, please, to share this video and let us interact in our comment section.